Welcome to my next video. I'm back to a quilting diamond design. I've been playing with a whole lot in Inkscape. Actually, this design looks better on the computer screen than it does printed out. And I'm hoping I can make it look even better when I get some contrasting woods. These are all, as you can see, quilting diamonds. These are also quilting diamonds downsized. I'm not going to cut these individual pieces out. I'm going to cut this out as one piece, but I'm going to vein in so far on each one of these so you can get complex really fast. When you get different colors, that many of them to keep up with and compare and contrast. I got 3 different shades of wood in there. Plus, I don't know if you can see that little bit of color in between them. I've actually got some colored paper stacked in there. And I'll cut that out too at the same time to experiment with later if it comes out okay. And so I got them numbered. I got letters on these, A through H. Then I got these numbered. And I'm going to try to mix them, match them, and see what I can get that looks the best. I'll get 3 versions and probably many combinations possible in those 3. But I'll play with them to see what I can get out of it when I get there. I've also got 2 more sheets here printed out. I'm going to use that as a layout as I cut them to put them there and keep track of them. So I'm going to cut this saw with a number 5 blade, I believe, and see if the paper cuts properly. If it doesn't, I haven't lost anything. It's just some cheap construction paper. But I know the wood will cut okay. So let me get a new blade in the saw, and I'll get started on this and see if I can get something interesting out of it. Damn it. Okay, so there's one version of this project. That's the one I was really, the original concept I had in mind was more or less that right there with this dark in here and going lighter outward. I have two other combinations I haven't finished yet. Plus I have all that paper that I cut that I haven't even touched yet. It cut pretty well. I think I can do something with it. But I'll follow up on that later. I'm going to call this good for this video because I got this one finished and I'm somewhat pleased with it. I stained this. That's some cheap Baltic birch off of Amazon. It's not as good as what you get in other places, but it's fine for this. But it stained well, and I think it looks okay. I wanted these to show up against the background a little better. And then put a light frame around it to match all that. So the others will have different backgrounds. I'm not sure exactly how they'll turn out yet, but that's what I'll work with on a later date. Maybe I'll follow up with a video on that. I'll see how well they turn out. So if you like that, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, see what I do next. I think the next video I'm going to get back to a box. I think I'm up to the letter H in my letter boxes, and those are beginning to sell down at my consignment shop down there. So I'm going to kind of continue with those and try to come up with some original ideas as we move forward through the alphabet. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.